Hi guys, it's been a long time. I haven't been really posting, but today we are at Robinson Preserve, Bradenton, Florida. And right now we are heading to the tower. Come on. We are entering the trail to the tower. Let's go. This park has a lot of nature. We're heading up the tower now. We're at the top and look at the view
Well, there's
of
lots
the
of places,
whole
other places we could have gone to meet Bob and
This
Tom.
is the lake or pond.
That's what you
Actually, a
originally
river,
talked
if you
about
see,
going
kind of goes through
to.
there.
What's the name of the restaurant again?
That's another trail.
Because we had been there for
Probably
like
gonna go
25
through.
years. We were there with them
And
25
probably
years
will
ago.
lead us
And
to
we
the
said, well, let's
ocean
go to the
side.
Chart House next time we get to go to
So
dinner.
this is what it looks like from the top.
We're really thinking about it'll be in season and all that stuff. Like, how to just do that all in one shot.
Guys, come on, let me show you some nature fun. Come on. Climb on any tree. Get on to near the top if you can. Find a branch. And then just this was a very tiring noon walk. We are heading to the car. And this is the tower. This is like the end. That's the tower, as you can see, which we went to before. And now we're heading, and then this trail was at Robinson Preserve Nature Trail. We're heading to the car. Catch you soon at the next video where I'll be doing the canopy walk. See you soon.